This is going to be a video tutorial on how to display or remove the bookmarks bar in the Microsoft Edge web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Microsoft Edge web browser opened up. If you look off to the top up here, you can see I have my bookmarks bar enabled. The Edge browser actually calls this a favorites bar. Most browsers call it a bookmarks bar, but Edge calls it the favorites bar. But to enable it or disable it, probably the easiest way is to use the keyboard shortcut. On a Windows machine, the keyboard shortcut is Ctrl plus Shift plus B. As you can see, my bookmarks bar has now disappeared. If I press Ctrl plus Shift plus B again, it has now reappeared. On a Mac, I would assume that the keyboard shortcut would be Command plus Shift plus B. But another way to do it, you go up to the bookmarks bar area. You can right-click in the bookmarks bar area, a blank area, and then you would go down to where it says Show Bookmarks Bar. And off to the right of that, it shows you the keyboard shortcut, Control plus Shift plus B on a Windows machine. And you slide straight off to the left. As you can see, I have mine enabled. That check mark is by always. You can click on Never, or you could choose Only on New tabs. I'm going to click on Never. My bookmarks bar has now disappeared. Another way to do it is to go up to the upper right-hand corner, up to this three-dot menu. You want to click on the three-dot menu. Then you'll go down to where it says Favorites, and click on Favorites. A little dialog box will pop open, and up in the upper right hand corner of that dialog box there's another three-dot menu. Click on that. Then you'll go down to where it says Show Favorites Bar. Then straight off to the left you can click on Always, Never, or Only on New tabs. I'm going to click on Always. Then I'm going to close this box. That is how to show or hide the bookmarks bar in the Microsoft Edge web browser. Thanks for watching.